Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs here on YouTube. Let's see. I'll go ahead and link the SNC Budget Creations down below. Also, if you're interested, Cassie is having collaboration freebies each month. They're still working on the month of July at the time I'm filming this, and then they'll go on to August, where a new savings challenge will be available as a freebie for that month. So yes, if you're interested, I'll link her channel down below, and hopefully by August I'll be participating in those in the August freebie. So you're probably wondering how the heck I'm managing to do a bonus video. I won a giveaway, yay! So I won $125 in that giveaway. It was for the back to school giveaway with Budgeting Just Because, I Desire Wealth, Desiree, Desiree Wealth. There's a lot of controversy about her channel name because it is so unique, but her name is Desiree. So I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs, and Make Money, Save Money, as well as Deborah's Journey. So you guys can't win the giveaways if you're not entering in them. So they didn't broadcast it. They didn't say, hey, we're doing a giveaway. But I got in there and I won. So ladies, I want to thank each and every one of you so very much for having this giveaway. That money came right on time. For those of you who watched my video yesterday, you will have known that I needed $108 for my rent in order to have it paid on time. So I put $108 to that rent envelope, and then the rest I have is the $17, which we're going to go ahead and cash stuff here. So let me grab my cash tray. All right, and so we're cash stuffing 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bucks. And that's what I have left from the 125. And we're going to go ahead and cash stuff our savings challenges. And I'm going to pull those out of here. And set them up here. So, okay, let's just see where we're at. The first savings challenge is Jamie R.N. Budgets, Shaken with Love. Let me show you that. And this was a freebie from when she hit 600 subscribers. So it looks like I have 3 more rolls on that one. Or I don't know if I'm going to pull cards. I don't know. But 3 more times I'm going to pull that one out. This one is for me. It's just the one that I made for fun, and it has $5, it looks like. So maybe we could finish one, right? All right, and then lastly I have from Ellie on Earth. I don't know if you can see that. Ellie on Earth, her savings challenge. By the way, these are freebies, so it looks like I have 3 left there. So we will go ahead and jump right in. I think I'm going to use my Uno cards instead of the dice, but and I was thinking to move this along a little bit quicker. Maybe we'll do $2 in each envelope. So let's do it. Let's make sure there's no wild cards here, because I don't have any wild. There's no need for the wild cards right now. I guess if there's some in here, we can go ahead and just we'll take them out as we find them. Okay, I think I got them out, but just to be on the safe side, if I do get a wild card, I don't have an envelope for the wild card for this stuffing. So, but for the month of August, I will have a 4th envelope, which will be my wild card. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, flip these, And we're gonna do $2 per pull. Yeah. All right, 2. Let's just do this. 1, 1. Okay, 1. Okay. 1. Oh my goodness. Come on, we need Ellie to get in there. There she goes. 2, 3, 1. And I think since we have we only have $3 left. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in one racked up today for sure. So that was quick and easy. So let me move this back over here so we can count up what we have. Okay, sorry about that. I had to grab some pins here. So we have 3, 2, and then 1. Okay, Shaking with Love. This one is going to be a fantastic amount. This money will be cashed up into my Christmas binder, so hopefully very soon, I'm thinking in August maybe, if I finish a couple of these, then I'll be able to do a Christmas cash stuffing. So let's count up what we got for Shaking with Love today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 11. Perfect. So I have 2 more times that I'm going to work on cash stuffing this, and then I'll be finished with the savings challenge. I do like to count it up. I know some people like to be surprised, but I like to know where am I at in this. It keeps me motivated. Look at all this cash. Okay, so Shaking with Love now has 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, $44. Oh gosh, that cash stuffing is going to be phenomenal. I only have 1 savings challenge completed so far, so we'll have a little bit more to go in this one, and that is so exciting. Okay, we'll set that one off to the side. The second one, which is my savings challenge that I made, and it originally had $10. We're adding 2, so we're going to color 2 more butterflies. So we didn't finish this one today, which is okay. That gives me a couple more tries, you know, to get that one completed. So now we have 12 bucks in there, and this one saves me 15. And that was one of the reasons I went with the freebies, because I just wanted the small hits. You know, I wanted the small wins. So I'm going to try to stay focused on that for now. And then lucky number 3 from Miss Ellie on Earth. My cute little fancy poodle. Has $1, $2, $3, $4. $4. Okay, and so we have 2 more tries to complete this one, and hopefully I can get some extra savings challenge stuffings in here, and we'll see how that actually goes. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $35. $35 here. Huge wins. Very, very huge wins. So I do have some other savings challenges lined up. They're all freebies. I did purchase some at one point in time, but I think I'm going to stick with the freebies for this process. I think the freebies are a really cool way for us to interact with other channels, and then also to have a different kind of style of savings challenges each week. I was really hoping to finish this one so I could throw a new one in there, because I have my eye on one that I want to get started right away. But, you know, I'm just going to go with the process and be patient, because I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed. And I truly, truly am thankful for each and every one of you who watch my videos, who like, who comment, who subscribe, who share, all of that. I love you guys so much for it. I would like to try and stay consistent, because I think that's the best way for me to make sure that I am meeting my goals financially, but also on YouTube. I'm not even sure I have goals on YouTube, but it does help, and I am very motivated when I see other people doing their YouTube cash stuffing. So hopefully next month I'll be working on that. But yes, once again, ladies, thank you for doing your back to school giveaway. I cannot believe that I won the $125. So I'm over the moon. It was perfect timing for my rent to make sure that was just $108 short. And look at that. You ladies made sure to help me out with that. So I appreciate you all. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Feel free to message me on Instagram, SilynthiaBudgets, if you want to reach out, or if you have any questions or you just want to say hi. I'm not on Instagram like I should be, but I try to check in every once in a while. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.